Welcome! In front of me I have FITBIT Inspire 3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for the Smartband on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on this Smartband. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on the Smartband, your Smartband needs to be paired with your iPhone via the FITBIT application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to allow the required permissions for the FITBIT application and your iPhone to send the notifications to your Smartband. So let's open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, you should see the option called Bluetooth. Tap on it. And here you should see the list of my devices, and on this list you should see your Inspire 3. Tap on the info icon next to it. And make sure that the Share System Notifications option is enabled. Once this option is enabled, go back to the main page of settings, scroll down to the list of applications. Oh, my bad. Let's go back to settings, scroll down, and on the list of applications, find the FITBIT application and tap on it. And here make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled, and also you can tap on notifications and enable the allow notifications option if you like to. And once you're done, you should be able to receive the notifications on your Smartband. So let's open the FITBIT application on our iPhone that is paired with our Smartband. Tap on the profile icon right here to open the profile page. Select the Inspire 3 from the list of devices. And here tap on notifications. And as you can see right here, we can enable and disable a couple types of notifications. We have calls, text messages, calendar events, and app notifications. If you want to enable or disable the notifications for calls, text messages, and calendar events, you can simply tap on the switch next to them to activate it or deactivate it. And once you're done with the first three, you can tap on app notifications. And here we can manage the notifications for applications. As you can see, this list is empty. You can tap on search and try to look for the applications. But basically this list will fill in once you receive some notifications after you install the FITBIT application. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. And we got the notification from Discord, as you can see. Now we can reopen the FITBIT app. Tap on profile icon, tap on Inspire 3, tap on notifications, tap on app notifications. And we should have Discord now on the list. For some reason it didn't appear. Let's try sending another message. Okay. Oh, this time it appeared. As you can see, it takes a while for it to fill in. And once you see the applications right here on the list, you can again allow or deny the permissions for them, or enable or disable the notifications for them by tapping on the switch. So now I enabled the notifications for Discord, and we can go back to the main page of the device, or we can also close the application. And now when I type in the message right here, send it to me, I got the message or notification on our iPhone, and also we should get it on our Smartband. As you can see, it's here and we can read it or clear it. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this Smartband on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.